Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the exercise 3.8, the fourth question. X cube plus x square minus 14x minus 24. Question I am written. Solution. The given question we should give the name as P of x is equal to x cube plus x square minus 14x minus 24. First what we have to check sum of the coefficient. That means we add the coefficient. See here, I am adding the coefficient. Here coefficient is 1, x square coefficient is 1, x coefficient is minus 14 and constant term. So I am written this, you add this one. Positive number I am adding, 1 plus 1 is 2, minus 14 minus 24 is minus 38. So when you subtract this one, you will get answer as minus 36. The answer is not equal to 0. If you are getting 0 means x minus 1 is a factor. Here you are getting a number. Therefore, x minus 1 is not a factor. Next step, we have to check that sum of the coefficient of even power and constant term is equal to sum of the coefficient of odd power. So, see here, and again I am going to P of x. Sum of the coefficient of even power. Even power is square term. Here it is coefficient is 1. Next, constant term. So, 1 minus 24. That is I am written as this side is equal to other side is sum of the coefficient of odd power. Here odd power is 3. So coefficient is 1. Here power is 1. This is odd power. So coefficient is minus 14. So other side we should write 1 minus 14. Here I have written that one as 1 minus 14. 1 minus 24 is minus 23. Here 1 minus 14 is minus 13. Here what we have to get, both the side it should be a equal. If it is equal means x plus 1 is a factor, but our answer is not equal. Some answer you are getting. This side is minus 23, this side is minus 13. So answer is not same. Therefore, x plus 1 is not a factor. Next step, you have to check in x place 2 I am substituting because x minus 1 is not a factor and x plus 1 is also not a factor. So next step I am doing that 2 in that question. So P of in x place I am giving as 2. So P of 2 is equal to 2 cube plus 2 square minus 14 into 2 minus 24. In the question in x place I am giving as 2. So 2 cube, its answer is 8 plus 2 square is 4 minus 14 into 2 is minus 28 minus 24. 8 plus 4 is 12. This minus 28 minus 24 is minus 52. When you subtract this one, you will get minus 40. Then the answer is not equal to 0. If you are getting 0 means x minus 2 is a factor. Here you are getting a number. So therefore, x minus 2 is not a factor. Next step, I am substituting in that P of x is minus 2. In x place, I am substituting as minus 2. P of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 the whole cube plus minus 2 square minus 14 into minus 2 minus 24. Minus 2 cube is minus 8 plus minus 2 square is plus 4 minus into minus is plus 14 into 2 is 28 minus 24. Here add the positive number is 4 plus 28 is 32 minus 8 minus 24 is minus 32. So 32 minus 32 is 0. Here you are getting 0. Therefore, what number we are taken here? Minus 2 for x value. That means x plus 2 is a factor. So, we know that x plus 2 is a factor. Again, I am writing that question, that is P of x. Here, x plus 2 is a factor means here we should take minus 2. Plus 2 means here you should take minus 2. Then I am writing the coefficient of P of x. Here coefficient is 1. Here x square coefficient is 1. X coefficient is minus 14. Minus 24. Here always put 0. Already I told. So 1 plus 0 is 1. Then multiply. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Then minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. So minus 14 plus 2 is minus 12. Then minus 12 into minus 2 is plus 24. When you subtract this one, you are getting 0. That means already we found that x plus 2 is a factor. No, here it is minus 2 we taken means here we should write P of x is equal to x plus 2 into, here what you are getting, this is constant x term square term. So we can write that one as x square minus x minus 12. Then x plus 2 I am written as it is. This is quadratic equation format. In the rough column I am taken this one as minus 12, this one as minus 1, because for x square no coefficient, so directly I am taken what number it is possible. It is minus 4 into 3. So minus 4 into 3 is minus 12. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. So here we write it as x minus 4, x plus 3. Our factor is x plus 2 into x minus 4 into x plus 3. Fifth question, x cube minus 7x plus 6. So that question is, we should give the name as p of x is equal to x cube. See here it is a standard form. If for question and all it is a standard form. Here it is square term is missing, so I am written this one as plus 0 x square minus 7x plus 6. First of all we should check that one as sum of the coefficient. So coefficient is 1 plus here coefficient is 0. For x coefficient is minus 7 plus 6. You add the positive number. 1 plus 6 is 7. Here 0 minus 7 is as minus 7. So 7 minus 7 is 0. Here getting 0. That means what? X minus 1 is a factor. If you are getting here answer is 0 means x minus 1 is a factor. So here minus 1. X minus 1 means here we should take that opposite as plus 1. Then you should write the coefficient of p of x. Coefficient of p of x is 1, 0, minus 7, 6. Here we put 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 ones are 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Again 1 ones are 1. Minus 7 plus 1 is minus 6. 1 into minus 6 is here we should write minus 6. So plus 6 minus 6 is 0. Then p of x is equal to x minus 1 into, here we should write x square plus x minus 6. That is I am written here. Then x minus 1, the same thing you write here. For this you should find that a factor. So here quadratic equation format, no coefficient for x square. So here you should write, here it is minus 6. Here this one is 1. What number it is possible? 3 2s are 6. That is plus 3 minus 2. So you will get us minus 6. Plus 3 minus 2 is 1. So x minus 1 into, here we can write this one as x plus 3, x minus 2. Sixth question, x cube minus 10x square minus x plus 10. We give the name as p of x is equal to x cube minus 10x square minus x plus 10. Sum of the coefficient. So add the coefficient. Here coefficient for x cube is 1. Coefficient of x square is minus 10. Coefficient of x is minus 1 plus 10. You add the positive number. 1 plus 10 is 11. Minus 10 minus 1 is minus 11. 11 minus 11 is 0. Here getting 0 means, it means x minus 1 is a factor. Then it is a factor now. I am taking as a plus 1. Then write the coefficient of p of x. 0 I am written here. So 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 ones are 1. Minus 10 plus 1 is minus 9. 1 into minus 9 is, here we should write minus 9. Both are negative. Minus 1 minus 9 is minus 10. Then we should multiply. 1 into minus 10 is minus 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. P of x is equal to, this is here plus 1 we take, no, it means x minus 1 into, here we should write that one as x square minus 9x minus 10. Then find the factor. Here I am taking as minus 10. This one as minus 9. 1 into minus 10. You will get as minus 10. Then 1 minus 10 value is minus 9. So x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x minus 10. This is our factor. Next we are going to see the topic is a greatest common divisor. That means GCD. Exercise 3.9. First question. Find GCD for the following. The first one. P power 5, comma, P power 11, comma, P power 9. This exercise is very easy. So see here, solution P power 5 I am written. When you see this three terms, see here power 5, this one is power 11, this one is power 9. So lowest is power is 5. So that one is I am written as it is p power 5 into 1. Then p power 11 is equal to the lowest is here power is 5 no. So that one I am taken p power 5 into, so remaining is p power 6. If base same means we can add in the power term. So base is same. 5 plus 6 is 11. We are getting the question. So p power 11 is I am writing as p power 5 into p power 6. Why I am written here p power 5 is here lowest power I am deciding in that question itself. In the question here you are having p power 5, here you are having 11, here you are having 9. So lowest power is 5 no. So I am taking here it is p power 5 into remaining is p power 6. Come to the third term, p power 9 is equal to the same way p power 5 into remaining is p power 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. GCD see that each term, what is the common? Here p power 5, p power 5, p power 5. So I am taken that one as p power 5. Among the three terms, we should select the common. That is the GCD. Second question. 4x cube comma y cube comma z cube. Here when you see this each term, there is no common. Here 4, here it is coefficient is 1, here coefficient is 1. So no common. When you see the variable also, here it is x cube, this one is y cube, this one is z cube. So therefore here no common. So how you should write that one as no common factor. Therefore GCD is 1. If it is no common means GCD value is 1. Third question. 9a square b square c cube 15a cube b square c power 4. Solution I have written that first term is equal to 9 can be written as 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9 no? So I have written like this 3 into 3. See here a square. See, compare this each term. Here a power is lowest is square, here cube. So I have selected this one as a square into b square. B square also see that variable b square, b square. So I have written the same. Next one is c cube. See here it is c cube. This one is c power 4. So lowest is cube. So I have written that one as c cube. Come to that second term 15a cube b square c power 4. 15 can be written as 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15 no. So 5 into 3 into a cube. Here lowest is square no. So I am written a square into the remaining is a power 1 can be written as a. Then b square both are same. I am written the same b square into c power 4 can be written as c. Compare this one it is cube. This one is power 4. So c cube into c power 1 can be written as c. Now select the common. What is that common? Here it is, these two are common no. So I selected this 3. Then these two common, it is a square. Next common is this one. So b square. Next common is this. So our answer is 3a square b square c cube. This is GCD.